I'm trapped! Can anyone hear me? Get me out!
Chemical management is still too manual. Teams spend hours processing PDFs, updating documents, checking labels, and sending files back and forth. Safety information becomes fragmented. Processes become reactive. But what if safety data sheets could work like digital data instead of static documents? Meet Chemius, a cloud-based chemical management platform enhanced by AI. No installation, no complex IT projects, no local servers. Just open your browser and start working. Chemius combines AI with 30 years of chemical regulatory expertise to help companies digitize, author, manage, and share chemical product information. This is where the new workflow begins. Simply drag and drop your safety datasheets into Chemius. The AI Safety Datasheet Assistant reads documents, extracts the data, structures it, validates it, and creates clean digital product records inside the platform in minutes. The role of regulatory and safety teams changes. You move from manually processing safety data sheets to supervising the process. Your expertise matters where it matters the most. Reviewing details, ensuring compliance, and making informed decisions. You move from reactive to proactive chemical management. Once chemicals are digitized, the work changes completely. You no longer start safety datasheet authoring from scratch. You adjust and maintain digital product records. Chemius helps generate safety datasheets in almost any language while keeping the information aligned and consistent. At the same time, Chemius creates aligned and compliant labels. No duplicated work, no inconsistent data between documents. You can also generate safety instructions for workers directly from the same digital product data. One source of truth across all safety documents. Chemius is more than document authoring. It becomes your central chemical management platform. All product information stays connected, structured, searchable, and easy to manage. You can securely share digital product records with your team, customers, partners directly inside the platform. Recipients can create free accounts and access shared products immediately. No sending PDFs back and forth, no outdated files, and no delays. Everyone works with the latest information in real time. Critical safety information is always available when needed. Chemius uses just the right amount of AI. It helps automate repetitive work, but experts remain in control. The platform is built on 30 years of experience in chemical regulatory affairs and safety datasheet authoring. AI helps, but experts lead, and you stay in control of the final output. Digitize chemicals, adjust safety data sheets, create labels and safety instructions. Manage chemicals proactively. Share digital product records across your supply chain. One platform, one digital environment, Chemius, the future of chemical management.